We've talked with customers and developers who all agree that SMS has gotten out of hand when it comes to spam and bad actors. I don't know about you, I don't want to be scared of links anymore. Twilio has conducted surveys and found that customers who receive messages over trusted and verified communication channels are more likely to engage. So what's the solution here? RCS, or Rich Communication Services. If you haven't heard of RCS, it's a protocol created by Google to deliver rich messaging from verified senders over Wi-Fi and carrier networks. RCS allows images, buttons, GIFs, documents, carousels, and branded messages, all inside your phone's default messaging app. Unlike WhatsApp, RCS doesn't require a separate app. It works right in your standard SMS app, making it a huge upgrade for users in the US and Canada, where WhatsApp isn't as popular. So just to hammer it home, RCS will be the first messaging channel to offer rich functionality and branded capabilities with the potential for global reach, all delivered through your phone's default messaging app. Think of it as the dreamboat of communication services. We want to regain that customer trust, and RCS is the channel that's going to do it. Now, let's go even deeper into why RCS rules. RCS provides so much freedom to brands who want to curate exactly what kind of content their customers are receiving. This channel combines the power of email marketing with the instant reach of SMS. Like I said, total dreamboat or perhaps a luxury yacht? You will set yourself apart with messages that look like mini web pages, from interactive messages with buttons like Order Now or Check In, to carousels of swipeable content that are perfect for retail promotions or travel updates. There is rich media support for whatever experience you want to deliver. As I mentioned, there is also real-time engagement data here, so you are now getting that same level of insights as an email or web campaign. And fear not, if a user doesn't have RCS, messages will automatically fall back to SMS or MMS, ensuring universal reach. We really do think of everything, don't we? How does this dreamboat stay afloat, you ask? Okay, sorry, I'm done with the boat stuff. Let's move beyond Twilio land and talk about the state of RCS and some of its challenges. Unlike WhatsApp, since RCS accesses the default messaging app, it requires special carrier support. Hey, we all need a little support sometimes. RCS is no different. Let's map this out to help illustrate the point. Say you connect your brand through Twilio. We send your RCS message over a carrier's network to a major phone provider like Google or Apple, who then delivers it to the end customer. This added layer of complexity is why RCS is moving at various speeds across regions, carriers, and phone manufacturers. Some regions, like Europe and Latin America, have adopted RCS faster because of high Android usage. Meanwhile, in the US, where Apple has a bigger footprint, major carriers such as AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon are moving more slowly to ensure security. And even with the carriers getting on board, RCS support is new to the iPhone world, only starting to be released in late 2024 with iOS 18, and typically takes months for customers to fully adopt. Luckily for you, Twilio is actively working with over 70 global carriers to expand RCS availability. You better believe that our changelog will have some more RCS updates soon. All this is to say, RCS is not an overnight switch, but businesses should start testing it now to be ready when it becomes widely available. One quick note on the two types of RCS. When you use your phone to send an RCS message to your friend, it's considered peer-to-peer or P2P. But an RCS message sent through Twilio is considered application-to-peer or A2P. A2P messages allow for rich content and branded senders, but don't have end-to-end encryption or allow for customer-initiated sending. Neither of these should be confused with A2N, which is when Alex goes to take a nap. You're going to want to be ready to implement RCS right away because, as I've hopefully made clear to you all, RCS isn't just another messaging channel. It's a major shift in mobile communications, and Twilio is making it easy for businesses to adapt. Twilio's RCS tools require 0 code changes. Just use the Twilio messaging API, and messages will automatically be upgraded to RCS when supported. Onboarding RCS requires verifying senders across regional carriers, so it's not an instantaneous process. But US businesses can register a branded sender through Google and start testing. It's a really exciting time. At the end of the day, this is about delighting customers and personalization at scale. And Twilio makes this so much easier to achieve. Check out our blog to see more about RCS rich content features, and a huge shout out to Will McKenzie, Lindsay Weinig, and Angela Weber for helping me put this content together.